Hi, good morning, and today I'm going to discuss about demand side management DSM. And what is DSM means? We uh, demand side is the modification of consumers. Okay, we are creating awareness to consumers when to use energy, where to, and at what time we can use the energy, at what time we can reduce the energy. That awareness, creating awareness, that is DSM. Okay. One of the definition is the modification of consumers demand electricity through various such as financial incentives and consumer education. Okay. And main goal of DSM is to encourage the consumers to use less energy during peak hours, or move move the time of energy use the off peak hours. Okay, in the peak hours, that consumers has to reduce the energy consumption, and in off peak hours consumers has to increase the energy consumption. That is the main motto of this DSM. Okay. And DSM, uh, it's not only the apply to utilities, electricity or monopolies. And DSM means actually, one of the definition, one more definition, like large scale deployment of energy efficient equipment by use specially designed programs. And this is the one of the we need to deploy the energy efficient equipment. Okay, that is designed by some programs. Okay. And what are the issues till now we are facing? Load level and a wasteful demand requires too much supply for specific needs. Some wasteful demand is there. That is also one of the issue we are facing. And load shape, according to load shape, some high peaks, little reserve capacities. These are the issues we are facing. How to overcome these issues? And you can see one load curve for the 3 days. Load curve is like this, and after 6 o'clock it's increasing, and after at 1 o'clock it's having the maximum peak load of 250 kilowatt. Okay, like this. Here also some peak load, and here also some peak load. And at day 2 it's a minimum base load of 125 kilowatt and maximum peak load of the 250. And that is that this difference is too high. That is one of the problem we are facing. We need to reduce this, and we need to improve this. Then we can balance that, and we can increase the price of electricity at this time, and we can reduce the price of electricity at this time. Then load may balance. Okay. And we need to create a awareness to consumers by reduce the for reducing the energy at this time, and that is DSM. And this is from the graph we are saying that 225 kilowatt is the highest energy, and to a maximum peak load, and 125 kilowatt is the base load. That difference is too high. That is the trend. DSM will always try to encourage like use less energy during the peak hours and shift energy use off peak hours. Okay, you can see at this time that DSM will encourage use less energy at this time and use more energy at this time. This is the DSM main motto. Okay, and why DSM is required means increasing the energy requirement and increasing the threat of climate change and other environmental considerations, and energy security, lack of other supply options, use scope for energy efficiency measures. These are the need of DS, demand side management. Okay, thank you.